Hello, friends. Today we're making creamy broccoli cheddar soup made with real broccoli and real cheddar cheese. First, we're going to prepare our ingredients. Chopping up our broccoli, shredding our cheddar and smoked gouda cheese, pouring the milk and the heavy cream, dicing up our fresh garlic and onions and carrots diced really fine. Now let's measure out our chicken broth and add the chicken broth, carrots, onions, and garlic to the pan. Let it simmer and then put it aside. Next, we'll melt the butter in a hot pan, add the flour a little at a time. Then we'll add our salt and pepper and slowly add in the chicken broth and vegetables we set aside. If cooking at home is your vibe, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Next, we'll be adding in the heavy cream and the milk. Now, doesn't that look delicious? For the cheese, I'm using sharp cheddar and smoked gouda. Ooh, the flavors are so amazing. If you like creamy broccoli soup with a lot of flavor, well, here it is. This creamy broccoli cheddar soup recipe is in the description. Enjoy.